All right, let's pack an order. This is for one of my Patreon members. She ordered this beautiful journal charm. It's sort of a journal charm bookmark. It can be used as both. And I'm packing some little, shred in the boxes to make sure everything arrives safely. And I'm wrapping it in some bubble wrap here, to make sure it's good because you know how the post office is. Sometimes things arrive in pieces, so we just want to make sure everything is good to go. So make sure that it's taken care of and arrives safely to her. So thank you for your order. All right, so here I am, just packing the box with a bunch of different goodies. Now, when you order a journal charm from me, you get a pack of little freebies here, extra links with beads, and you get a free little journal charm that you can add your own charms to. And I'm just choosing one here. So your orders comes with lots of goodies, lots and lots of great goodies, y'all, while supplies last. So I chose one because I thought it would be fitting. And this is a journal pack. You have stickers in here. There's some stamps. There's some ephemera pieces. Some center pieces and focals. I'm kind of going through it fast here. Sorry, y'all. So yeah, and so you get flowers and butterflies and just really cool things that you can add to your journals, as well as some beautiful postcards coming up. You get a vintage playing card there. That'll be great for any of your journals. All right, check that out. Really cool. I love those cards. So yeah, you get a vintage bookmark as well. Vintage style bookmark, vintage style postcard, and all the postcards are different. Some of them are Picasso, some of them are Matisse. That's a Harriet Tubman. I have some artist postcards. They'll be added to every order, different artists. And yeah, and a big giant playing card that you can put in your journal. You can collage on it or whatever. So I'm just kind of sort of gathering all the pieces, and here's some of the stickers that come in there. Each journal pack comes with those things in them. Those are real vintage stamps, by the way. So you get some vintage stamps in each order, along with some stickers and all the other things you saw. Of course, they'll be different for every pack, but it's more of the same. All right, I felt like this would be a great addition to, your journal or whatever. And I put a giant square paper clip, and then an additional paper clip on there because those links do detach, so you can always have another paper clip to put those links on. And a cute little flower I made for paper clips. And then I added some extra stickers just because I think they're really cool, really pretty for a variety of projects. Okay. So just putting them in there, make sure they arrive safely. Put the journal charm in there as well. And you can add any type of charms to that you want and use it in a different journal if you want. All right, so just making sure everything is packed well and looks beautiful. I like when people open things, it looks like a present, so. And here's one of my business postcards that I added. Put a business postcard in the box as well, with all of my information here on the back, all of my links and everything. So that comes in the order. And I'm just going through some of my stickers. I definitely need to order some more for my branding. So, just making sure everything looks professional and put together. I really do love those journal packs. They were just really cute, really nice, beautiful postcards, y'all. Really pretty. And I'm probably going to sell those just by themselves. In case you don't want a journal charm, you can just get a journal pack just by itself. See? Really pretty. Lots of goodies in there. So put everything in there. Now, she only paid for the journal charm, so all this other stuff is extras. Okay? And that's what you get. And I'm also adding one of my little gel pens, a little mini gel pen. I thought it was a nice touch. So look at all the extras you get. I think that's just great. I like to make my customers happy and add really cute things to your packages. And I'm just adding some sequins. I've done this over the years, so that's not anything new for me, but I thought it was a nice touch. And I am so happy she's happy with her order. Thank you.